Connecting an Apple CarPlay smartphone can be done either in wireless mode or by cable via the mirror screen compatible USB socket. Your iPhone's wireless connection can be initialized from the device's menu. First, activate the CarPlay function in the Settings Bluetooth menu of your phone. In the Bluetooth menu, click on the eye next to the relevant vehicle and activate CarPlay. Press on the Settings app. In the list, select the Connectivity tab. Select My Devices to display the device you wish to connect to Apple CarPlay. If the device has previously been connected to the system via Bluetooth, select the device's settings in the list of known devices and choose Apple CarPlay as the wireless connection mode. If the device has never been connected to the system, proceed with pairing. The system will detect if the smartphone is compatible with Apple CarPlay and offer to connect to it after pairing. In order for the smartphone to be automatically connected thereafter, you must activate your device's Bluetooth. Once the connection is established, press this button to display the Apple CarPlay interface. To launch the smartphone's voice commands, long press the command button on the steering wheel.